Looking for a professional OBD2 scanner that does more than just read and clear fault codes? Today, we're taking a closer look at the LAUNCH X431 CRP919EBT. It's a wireless bidirectional scan tool designed for serious DIY enthusiasts and professional mechanics who want dealer-level diagnostic features without stepping into ultra-premium territory. So, does it have what it takes? Let's find out. Starting with the hardware, the CRP919EBT feels like a well-built professional scanner. It features a 7-inch touchscreen with a clear 1024 by 600 display that's easy to read whether you're in the garage or outside. Inside, it runs on Android 10 and is powered by a 2.0 GHz quad-core processor with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage. Navigation is smooth, menus load quickly, and switching between different vehicle systems feels responsive. The scanner also uses the DBS Car 7 Bluetooth VCI, so you're not tied to the driver's seat while running diagnostics. Instead, you can move freely around the vehicle, making inspections much more convenient. Its built-in 6,300 mAh battery is designed to handle long diagnostic sessions without constantly needing to recharge. Where this scanner really starts to impress is its diagnostic capability. Unlike a basic code reader, the CRP919EBT performs full system diagnostics across nearly every major control module. That includes the engine, transmission, ABS, airbag system, BCM, ECM, EPS, TPMS, and many other electronic systems. You can read and erase fault codes, monitor live sensor data, record data streams, and replay them later to help identify intermittent problems. For anyone troubleshooting modern vehicles, having access to every major system can save both time and unnecessary repairs. One of the biggest highlights is its ECU coding capability. Besides standard diagnostics, the scanner supports ECU coding, adaptation, initialization, calibration, matching, and learning functions on supported vehicles. These features become especially useful after replacing certain modules or when configuring vehicle settings. It's the kind of functionality many technicians expect from much more expensive diagnostic equipment. Another major advantage is bidirectional control. Instead of simply telling you what's wrong, the scanner can actively command supported vehicle components to operate. You can activate cooling fans, fuel injectors, ABS pumps, windows, headlights, door locks, windshield wipers, and many other electronic systems directly from the scanner. With support for over 4,000 active tests on compatible vehicles, diagnosing faults becomes faster and much more accurate. Maintenance functions are another strong point. The CRP919EBT includes more than 35 commonly used service functions. Some of the most useful include oil reset, electronic parking brake reset, battery registration, injector coding, ABS bleeding, throttle adaptation, steering angle calibration, TPMS reset, and gear learning. Whether you're performing routine maintenance or more advanced repairs, these functions cover most everyday workshop needs. Compatibility is equally impressive. The scanner supports more than 160 vehicle brands and works with modern communication protocols like CAN-FD and DoIP. It also supports FCA AutoAuth for compatible vehicles and includes VAG Guided Functions, making certain procedures easier on supported Volkswagen Group models. Launch also adds several features that improve the overall user experience. You can display up to 8 live data streams on a single screen, making it easier to compare sensor readings in real time. Diagnostic reports can be saved, exported as CSV files, and shared whenever needed. The scanner is also compatible with optional accessories like the BST360 battery tester, the ITPMS tool, and the VSP600 endoscope, giving you even more diagnostic flexibility. Of course, no product is perfect. The 7-inch display is smaller than some premium competitors, and certain DoIP vehicles may require an additional adapter. Still, those are relatively minor compromises considering everything this scanner offers. Overall, the LAUNCH X431 CRP919EBT delivers an impressive combination of full system diagnostics, advanced ECU coding, powerful bidirectional control, and wide vehicle coverage. Whether you're a serious DIYer looking to expand your capabilities or a professional technician who needs a reliable wireless diagnostic tool, this scanner checks almost every important box. If you're looking for a feature-packed bidirectional scan tool that can handle both everyday maintenance and advanced diagnostics, the LAUNCH X431 CRP919EBT is definitely worth considering. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more automotive tool reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.